Hey, Zero TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, do I have one hell of a Fridge 48 to show y'all today. This is going out to my guys, Dave and Justin with Ding Ho Catering out in California. And this may just be the baddest Fridge 48 we've ever built. So let's check her out. Now, first off, you may notice it is extra tall. Okay, they wanted all the height in this bad boy, and for good reason, because it has got a built-in Santa Maria grill inside the smoker. So let's check it out here. Obviously, this is our mechanism here to raise and lower the grate. They crank it up, locks itself, lower it off, let her down. We'll open it up, check it out. So you got your Santa Maria grate in there right now. Crank it up, raises up. Now when you don't want to use that, you just pull that grate out and you got 4. So they've added 1 cooking grate in here, 4 cooking grates that slide in there to smoke on, or you can use your Santa Maria grill. We'll lower that back down. Like I said, it is extra tall. That's probably we get that 4th cooking grate in there. You may notice on the front here, not only did they upgrade to our stainless steel front shelf, they also got all of the TMG accessories. We've got our hand forward scraper set, burger press, bacon press. He's got a TMG torch and the Sasquatch tortilla press down there. He's got it all. And this shelf does fold, guys. I would show you, but obviously I'd lose all my accessories here. But shelf does fold down out of the way. Come over to the hot box now. Now here's not the first, but the second ever insulated hot box, guys. So this hot box is all insulated, 1-inch thick insulation all the way around. We got a 3/8 thick front door on it, as well as the firebox. Now guys, firebox is insulated as well. 3/8 door on the firebox, all 1-inch insulation inside there. You'll have a fire management cradle in there as well. You got your 5 sliding trays in here. Guys, what we love about this hot box, it runs completely independent from the smoker. So you can be running at 2 different temperatures. They're planning on doing a lot of wood-fired pizzas, so that's why they got this whole deal insulated. Gonna hold heat really well for them. Close that down. And that's really it, guys, on this Fridge 48. I mean, one heck of a unit here. We're gonna crate it up tomorrow, ship it out to California for Dave and Justin. So super excited for them to get this sucker, try it out. But guys, that's this Fridge 48. If you want a one-off custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.